Hello, Mr. Peter. Hello, ESL class. I wanted to make this video to discuss this environmental problem. It's about the global warming, which caused by all those fumes and gases, toxic gases released released by those factories and the cars that we use every day, which lead us actually to make a big hole at the atmosphere layer that surrounded the Earth, which caused many problems in the nature, like uh, like tsunamis, like melting in the ice, like um, like hurricanes that damaged the balance in the nature, which caused many problems for the animals, like the polar bears that we talked about, like when when they don't have like enough ice, they don't find enough ice to live on. They will have like short period of hunting. They will not get enough food, and that will affect the size of the beer, the weight, and everything. That can damage the balance of the nature. So when you interrupt this balance or damage it, you will get like some some species of animals will extinct. Like when polar bears cannot find what they eat, they will they will extinct and die. So we should like try to fix what we did, the damage we did to this atmosphere, by reducing those toxic fumes, by using clean energy like solar plates and something like that, like reducing the use of the gasoline cars, and by that we're gonna reduce those toxic fumes released in the air by the cars, and we should like use more effective ways to reduce the fume released by those factories, and we should try to focus on using clean energy like solar plates, and because we should get at that time when we stop drilling the earth searching for oil, black oil, and we should learn how to cultivate our sun, this unlimited source of energy. And I think that's all what I have. Thank you.